Bookkeeping and Accountancy Standard 12. Chapter number 2, Accounts of Not-for-Profit Concern. Today we are going to see question number 5 from government textbook, which is given on page number 117. Bharatiya Kala Kendra, Solapur gives you the following information for the year ended 31st March 2018. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Here, receipt and payment accounts are given. There is additional information, that is legacies are to be capitalized, outstanding salary rupees 200, 50% of entrance fees are to be capitalized. So here we have to prepare only income and expenditure account. Now let us begin with the solution. For that we have to write first in the books of Bharatiya Kala Kendra, income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2018. With debit and credit side, we have to prepare column like this. See the adjustment number 1. Legacies are to be capitalized. So we have to write legacies on income side as by legacies. See the legacies amount on receipt side, that is 12,000. I already marked adjustment on receipt and payment account. Here we are assuming whole amount is capitalized, so less capitalized amount is 12,000. Outer column will come nil amount. Its second effect will go to balance sheet liability side. We have to add this amount in capital fund. But in this question we have to prepare only income and expenditure account. That's why I am giving only one effect. See the next adjustment, outstanding salary rupees 200. So we have to write on expenditure side 2 salaries. See the salaries amount on payment side, that is 4,400. We have to add outstanding amount is 200. Outer column will come 4,600. Its second effect will go to balance sheet liability side as outstanding salary rupees 200. See the third adjustment, 50% of entrance fees are to be capitalized. So we have to write on income side by entrance fees. See the amount on receipt side, that is 2,900. Here we have to capitalize 50% amount. So less 50% capitalized, that is 1,450. Outer column will come 1,450. Its second effect will go to balance sheet liability side. We have to add this 1,450 amount in capital fund. Here all the adjustments are over. Now we have to post receipt and payment account items to income and expenditure account. See on receipt side, to balance brought down, cash in hand, cash at bank, it will go to opening balance sheet. To locker rent will come on income side. By locker rent amount is 400. To entrance fees already we wrote. To sale of old newspaper, it will come to income side as by sale of old newspaper, that is 250. To receipt from drama, it will come to income side as by receipt from drama, amount is 9,000. To legacies already we wrote legacies. Next, to interest of government securities, it will come to income side by interest of government securities, amount is 400. Next, to miscellaneous receipt, it will come to income side, that is by miscellaneous receipt, amount is 400. Now come to payment side. By stationery, it is an expenditure, so it will come to expenditure side. To stationery, amount is 600. By furniture purchase, it is an asset. By investment in government securities, it is an asset. By expenses of drama, it will come to expenditure side. So to expenses of drama, amount is 3,000. By postage, it will come to expenditure side. To postage, amount is 450. By magazine and newspaper, it will come to expenditure side as to magazine and newspaper, amount is 600. By salaries, already we took salary. Buy balance carried down, cash in hand, cash at bank. We have to write in balance sheet asset side. Here all the postings are done. Now we have to close this account. For closing the account, we have to take total of debit side and credit side. Here credit side total is 11,900 and debit side total is 9,250. Now we have to write both the side 11,900. Out of this 11,900 we have to minus expenditure amount, that is 9,250. We will get the surplus amount, that is 2,650. Here we got the surplus, that is 2,650, and our sum got solved. Thank you.